Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we have an exciting lineup of toys to explore. From remote-controlled vehicles to high-tech drones, we're going to check out some amazing toys that are sure to provide hours of fun and entertainment. Let's dive in. Number 8 FY Noava Pro. First up, we have the FY Noava Pro. This futuristic drone is perfect for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. With its smooth flight and stable controls, it's great for both indoor and outdoor use. The FY Noava Pro is priced at $59 United States dollars and 99 cents. Number 7 Air Hogs Flight Rider. Next, we have the Air Hogs Flight Rider. This flying vehicle is built to perform stunts, zoom through the air, and provide hours of fun. It's easy to control and perfect for both kids and adults. You can get it for $49 United States dollars and 99 cents. Number 6 Jump Stunt Shot RC. Coming in at number 6 is the Jump Stunt Shot RC. This incredible remote-controlled car can do flips, spins, and amazing stunts. Whether you're racing or showing off your tricks, this car is built to impress. It's available for $39 United States dollars and 99 cents. Number 5 Terrasect Rolling Lizard. Next, we have the Terrasect Rolling Lizard. This unique toy has a lizard-like design and can roll in different directions while performing tricks. It's a fun toy for kids who love outdoor play and adventures. The Terrasect Rolling Lizard is durable and versatile, making it great for tackling various terrains. You can grab it for $69 United States dollars and 99 cents. Number 4 DJI Robot Master. At number 4, we have the DJI Robot Master. This fully programmable robot is designed for tech enthusiasts and kids who are interested in robotics. You can control the robot and explore the world of technology in an interactive and fun way. It's a great learning tool for anyone interested in programming and robotics. The DJI Robot Master is available for $99 United States dollars and 99 cents. Number 3 HHDH6 Motorcycle Folding RC Drone. Coming in at number 3 is the HHDH6 Motorcycle Folding RC Drone. This unique toy combines a remote-controlled motorcycle and a drone, offering you the best of both worlds. You can ride it as a motorcycle on the ground and then transform it into a flying drone to soar through the air. It's a perfect blend of two exciting gadgets, and it's priced at $89 United States dollars and 99 cents. Number 2 Power Treads Salt Surface Vehicle. At number 2, we have the Power Treads Salt Surface Vehicle. This amazing toy can tackle any surface, whether it's sand, snow, or pavement. With its rugged design, it can handle tough terrain, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. You can grab it for $49 United States dollars and 99 cents. Number 1 Flippo Flip Skill Toy. And last but not least, at number 1, we have the Flippo Flip Skill Toy. This fun and challenging toy will test your coordination as you flip it and perform tricks. It's perfect for improving your focus and having fun at the same time. The Flippo Flip Skill Toy is priced at $19 United States dollars and 99 cents. That wraps up today's list of awesome toys. If you're interested in any of these, be sure to check out the links in the description below for more details and where to buy them. If you like this video and want to see more reviews, unboxings, and toy features, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.